Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to set up Getresponse autoresponders. But first, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So what are we going to do is go to your browser and then search for getresponse.com. Create better emails in less time with the ChatGPT powered email and subject line generator. Send better emails will help an easy-to-use platform with 24/7 support to send AI-powered emails, grow your list, and automate engagement. Now, you can put your email address here to create a free account. But if we scroll down a little bit here, you can see this email marketing, website builder, marketing automation, and e-commerce marketing. So let's try to click first email marketing. We can click on that. And here, free email marketing, get more opens, clicks, and sales. Powerful email marketing software with professional email templates, easy design tools, and proven deliverability. You can also meet different goals with the right type of emails such as newsletters, send one-time email broadcasts with updates and special offers. Autoresponders create automated email sequences to follow up with and nurture your subscribers. Automation emails design and trigger action-based automated emails and automated blog digest, perfectly timed emails, and transactional emails. Now if you go back, we can click on Website Builder. Here you can see free website builder, create a unique online presence with an AI drivers, code-free website builder. Describe your business and visual preferences to get personalized website templates or create your custom design from scratch. And you can see this why website builder is good for you. Now if we go back, we can see this marketing automation. You can click on that. Automate your ideal customer journey, build personalized automation workflows to engage and guide your customers every step of the way to conversion. And if we scroll down a little bit here, you can save time and resources, capture and convert new leads, sell more with less effort, build a connection with your audience. You can also visualize your automated customer journey and set the rules that automate your marketing. Now, if we go back again, we will see this e-commerce marketing. You can click on that. And here, conversion funnel, your ultimate sales funnel software machine. Ready-made, automated sales funnel creator. Build your landing pages, automate your emails, sell your products, recover abandoned orders, and convert your customers, formerly known as AutoFunnel. Now, if you scroll down a little bit here, we can see this let our conversion funnel software do the job for you. First, you can simple opt-in funnels, lead magnet funnels, sales funnels, and webinar funnels. Now, if you go back again, you can now click here on create free account. Now, put your email address and then tap on create free account. Getresponse create a free account now. Beside the email address, you also have to put your full name and your password. So let's try to put our full name, Yaya Bonel, and then the password. After that, you can now create account. Activate your account. Thanks for signing up. We've sent an activation email to your email, and then you have to check your inbox, open email, and then click link in email. You can go to your Gmail app or you can click this go to Gmail. After that, you can see this email. You can click on activate my account to activate your Getresponse account. Welcome to Getresponse. Tell us your name and address so we can get you all set up. You can also add your company name, but it's only optional. Then you have to fill the rest of the form. Now, what do you want to focus on first? We'll prepare a quick start checklist and guided tours to get you to your goal. Building my audience, sending emails, promoting my store, or I prefer to explore on my own. Let's try on building my audience. Then click next step. Getresponse is loading. Hi, yeah, let's get you set up with tried and true essentials that will help your business grow. You can create a sign up page, or you can create a welcome autoresponder. Pick a template you like or design your own message, save it, and you're done. The welcome autoresponder goes out automatically when someone subscribes. You can also test your sign-up process, subscribe to your own list, but don't use the email address linked to your account. Then, check your inbox for the welcome autoresponder you've created. But as we are going to set up GetResponse autoresponder, we can click here on Create a Welcome Autoresponder. Click Create Autoresponder. Untitled autoresponder, you can put a title on your autoresponder and the name will appear on the list of your messages and only you will see it. Let's try to put thank you as our title. And you can put a maximum of 128 characters. But you can also edit that title anytime if you click this edit name. Now, autoresponder settings, when do you want this message to go out? On day, you can click this to edit this on day. Let's try to put 3 here. Then click enter. Same time as the sign up time, allow the message to be sent on Monday to Sunday, but if you unchecked a certain day, you've blocked your autoresponder from sending on certain days. Contact who reach autoresponder day 3 on the block day will get your email on the earliest day allowed. Now you can see from email address your email address, and you can add another address and reply to, you can edit that. Then you can see the subject line, you can add a maximum of 150 characters, like how do you want to stand out? You can click on that. And this will appear as your autoresponder message. Now, let's try to put thank you for your order. Then click enter. For best visibility, keep your subject line under 60 characters for mobile and under 120 characters to desktop. Let's go to design and content. Start with a template or reuse content from your existing message. Adjust your text and off you go. You can also use the HTML editor or start with a blank layout. Here you can design your message, click here. You can see these available pre-designed templates here. You can scroll down to see the different types of pre-designed templates. And let's try this one. You can click on that, use template. And you can see you already apply this template. You're good to go. Now you can scroll down a little bit and then click on Save and Publish. You now have successfully set up GetResponse autoresponders. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.